This is Makeup Battle Season 1, the ultimate contest of brains, beauty, and creativity. Each week, 2 artists will put their skills on display in front of a live virtual audience hosted by Picture Studios. The winner of this head-to-head battle will advance to the next round for a shot at our grand prize of $500. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin. Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by Kayla Smoot and Ta'lor Floyd for a head-to-head makeup battle. Hi, ladies. All right. Before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Crystal Jennings was the winner of last week's contest. She received 68% of the votes and had an average score of 4.56. Congratulations, Crystal. I also want to send a special thank you to Kiera Packer, who did an amazing job as well. Finally, I want to thank everyone who voted last week at MakeupBattle.com. Because Makeup Battle is double elimination, you'll see both contestants again next month against a different makeup artist. Now let's meet Kayla and Ta'lor. All right, Kayla, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hi, everybody. My name is Kayla, aka K Swoon on the internet. I have been, well, actually, I'm 25, first of all. I've been freelancing since I was 18, but I've actually been doing makeup since I was about 13. Going to school, middle school, full face of Bobby Brown, like I was grown. So, yeah, that's the makeup side, but I also do music. I actually graduated from Winston-Salem State this year with my music business degree with a concentration or emphasis on violin performance. So I'm also a performer, but I write, I sing, I play the violin, the guitar, the keyboard, piano, all of that.
All right, great. Well, congratulations on graduating, and thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, Ta'lor, tell us a little bit about you.
Hi, my name is Ta'lor Floyd. I, too, am a singer-songwriter, and I also work in finance. I wouldn't consider myself a makeup artist, but I do enjoy doing makeup. I find it to be very therapeutic, and I am here to participate in the show.
All right, well, thank you as well for being on our show. I really appreciate it. All right, let's start the show with Kayla's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes look at what she created at the studio. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Ta'lor will have the chance to critique it.
Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Kayla, also known on the internet as K Swoon. I am coming to you from Winston-Salem, North Carolina, all the way to the Picture Studios in Greensboro. So I hope you guys enjoy this look I do today. I am currently in Picture Studios, as you can see. So you're in the studio. I've kind of gotten set up a little bit. Why only tell me I had a little bit of crust on my forehead? So now I'm going to tell you guys what kind of look I'm going to go and do. So pretty much my intentions are to pull off a nude look, a nude cut crease look, but with a purple undertone to it and some sparkles. So I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, stay tuned. So I'm going to be using the Alpha palette by Beauty Creations to kind of start creating this purple-ish look that I'm going to be giving to you guys today. So I'm going with like a deep purple to kind of help bring out those browns that I'm going to be using as well. So yeah, just wanted to show you that really quick. Alright, you guys, so we're 20 minutes in. I have applied my eyeshadow look. I cleaned up just a little bit, but other than that, we've got the crease cut, and we are ready to start putting our nude look together. Alright, you guys, so this is the look so far. We're like 30 minutes in now, and I am about to apply Rhinestones. I've actually put on my base foundation. I go in with a warm foundation to make sure everything is blended out, and then I do my contour and everything. So you guys will see that in a second. Alright, you guys, so this is almost the finished look. As you can see, I added a little bit of glitter. I just felt like it was needing something extra. So now I'm going to apply my extra lashes and we'll try the look together. All right, everybody, this is the finished look. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and make sure to tune in for next week's episode of Makeup Battle. And also, wait, don't forget, come vote for me. Y'all have a good one.
All right, Kayla, what was your inspiration for this look?
My inspiration for this look was actually a couple different elements, but mostly it was inspired by my grandfather. His favorite color was purple. He recently passed away back in June, and we actually wore purple and white for his funeral events. And I wanted to incorporate those colors in the competition, so I came up with this look. But I added some sparkle to the look just to kind of give that element of his life, where he was a Spitfire, just like me. We're both Scorpios. Literally, our birthdays were like 2 days apart, so we were really close, and we are just alike. And you know, we both bring that sparkle and that light into everybody's life that we come across. And I definitely wanted to show that to the audience today.
I love that. Loved your look, and you can't go wrong with a little bit of sparkle. All right, Taylor, are you ready to critique it?
Sure. I really enjoyed Kayla's look. As mentioned, you know, I really liked the rhinestones in the eyes, and I liked her nude lip. I thought it was great, and it's inspiring that she's doing this because of her grandfather. I thought the look was great overall. The way her foundation laid on her face as well was very nice, and I enjoyed it.
Good job. Good job. All right. Now it's time for Taylor's journal. This is a behind the scenes look at what she created in the studio. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and Kayla will have a chance to critique it.
All right, y'all. So we are on our way to Picture Studios for today. I just woke up my hair, but we are on our way to Makeup Battle. We're gonna get the face right and correct. We're gonna get it together. Okay, stay tuned. All right, you all. I need to hurry up and try to get in the building so that my hair doesn't sweat out. I'm arriving at Picture Studios. I'm Taylor, by the way. Ta'lor Floyd. Okay, so let's get in here. I had forgot my lashes. I had forgot everything else. I had to go to the store, y'all. It's just, it is what it is. But let's go. My name is Ta'lor Floyd, and I'm a singer-songwriter. But one thing I will say about today's look, I don't like to get too crazy. I like a very natural look. I like, you know, something that is just, you know, brings out the best qualities of you. And hopefully I'm good on time, y'all. All right, y'all. I normally would never, ever in my life film this part, but I gotta let y'all know how I put my lashes on. This is a hood way, so I wouldn't recommend. Like I said, I normally do my little brown, y'all, but I guess I'll do a little color on the lip. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. This is what we got going on today. I think I'm ready. I kind of played up the two just a little bit, but you know, I went with this colored shirt I'm wearing, and you know, I didn't want to get a little I didn't want to get too crazy, but that's the look for today. Now it's gonna melt in your skin a little bit more, and everything is kind of right now, but it'll be good. So my name is Ta'lor Floyd. Again, I'm a singer-songwriter, and I hope y'all choose me and vote for me in this battle. All right, thank you. Bye.
All right, Ta'lor, what was your inspiration for this look?
Well, my inspiration was just an everyday look, honestly. I never really have a moment that I'm really inspired, unless it's by maybe a music artist or something like that. But for this battle and everything, I just kind of went in and created on the spot. So yeah, I didn't really have an inspiration about it, but everyday natural look. So.
Okay. Well, I like that you did a great job. Loved your lips, and I love a good natural look. All right, Kayla, it's your turn.
Alrighty, so Ta'lor, first of all, I loved your look. It was so cute. Oh my gosh. I love the eyeshadow. The blend that was perfect, on point. I mean, what can I say? It was flawless. And your foundation and everything, like your highlight, it was so cute. Like it gave me like beachy vibes, which I love. I love like a simple beachy look. I basically lived at the beach all summer, so I loved your look.
Thank you. I'm originally from California, so. Yeah.
All right, ladies. Well, thank you. We want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 1. Make sure you tune in next week when we announce the winner of today's matchup. Next week, we'll progress to the freestyle round of the competition, so be sure to follow our official hashtag, MakeupBattleShow, for updates. Bye, ladies.
Bye.